When I heard about affiliate marketing, I understood an online version of a salesperson who introduced products they really like. That is true marketing. My stereotype of marketing is of very pushy people who use fake smiles and fake handshakes. I absolutely have an allergy to those salespeople. Yes, affiliate marketing is an internet version of word of mouth marketing. When you love products or services, you recommended them to your friends or to your website visitors with the affiliate link. If someone buys something through your link, you receive a commission. Because digital products has less cost of goods sold, you will earn a high sales commission like 30 to 50% or even more. If you sell the subscription, like a membership, you will earn recurring sales commission. A very successful affiliate marketer earns multi-millions of dollars annually just selling someone else's digital products online. I am full of ideas and requests from my students for the next new courses. So I'm usually busy with course creation. If you become an affiliate marketer and help me promote my courses, I will scratch your back as you scratch mine.